Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can use stuff around your house to set up your own YouTube studio, and I'm going to show you some hacks, and I'm going to show you the equipment that I use for, or at least talk about the equipment that I use for my video. So I got these pillows. I'm just using my bedroom pillows. This chair right here, I know it's beautiful and stuff, but I wanted on all background. That's why I covered it. But I got this from Pier 1, and I got the back seat over there at a thrift store. I got the back at a thrift store, and I painted it white. And then I put this there. This little throw blanket I got from Burlington Coat Factory, and I just use it to cover the chair. And these plants right here I got from the thrift store. Both of them I got them from the thrift store, so I can use them. And also, so for equipment I'm using right now, I'm using my iPhone to record, and right now I have my laptop right here that I use for writing down what it is I'm gonna do for a video and what I'm gonna talk about. When I was sitting here, you didn't see, but I was using my laptop light for light. So you can dim it and brighten it so you can get more light on your face when you're recording. If you don't have a light that you can set next to you, you can use your laptop light for that. Right here I have my tripod. You can tell it's winter now. So this little part comes with your selfie stick when you buy it, and you can unscrew it like I'm doing right now. You can unscrew it from your selfie stick, and it has this little metal part in the middle that you can set on your tripod and screw it on there, and then put your phone in this little gap right here, and it will hold your phone, and you can set it in front of whatever studio you want to set it in front of. I'm gonna take you to my bathroom and show you another stuff in your house that you can use for background. Okay guys, so we're in my bathroom. I bought this beautiful curtain from Walmart. And you can tell if you're looking for like a white background with plants on it, or you just have a really plain white shower curtain, you can use that for your background. I'm just going to show you this beautiful curtain. This is what it looks like. And on the side I have my plant, but you have this beautiful curtain right here. And all you have to do to make this curtain your background is to take these off the hook and tape each ends of it to the wall. So you take it to your kitchen, your bedroom, whatever, tape it to the wall on both ends and the middle, and you got yourself a background. I was actually thinking about if I don't want to use that background that I have anymore, I can just use this. You don't have to go out there and buy yourself a background. You can just use a curtain, like I've said in this video. And right now for recording, I'm using my iPhone, and the screen is all cracked. Before I started this YouTube video, I wanted to get the fancy camera that blurs the background and all that fancy stuff. And I figured maybe I should just use my crack iPhone and see how that works, and it's working great. So you can start with whatever phone you have and download that to your iMovie or whatever editing website you want to download it to. So thanks for watching guys, and I'm gonna make more videos, so subscribe and like this video if it was helpful to you at all.